Hello, my name is Connor from Wrexham Volkswagen, and today I'll be showing you around this approved used Volkswagen Golf Style. This Golf is powered by a 1.5 TSI eHybrid engine that produces 204 PS with automatic transmission and adaptive chassis control. It's finished in this lovely Moonstone grey paintwork. To the side of the vehicle you find the sporty 18-inch Catania alloy wheels, and to the front the powerful LED headlights that keep the roads well lit. Coming into the boot, you find the Golf offers generous space for everyday use, alongside folding rear seats, a privacy screen, shop and bag hooks. This Golf also comes with a Mode 3 Type 2 charging cable and a 3-pin mains charging cable. From the boot you can also access the optionally fitted tow bar. Into your rear seating, and you'll find the interior to be fitted with the stylish cloth seating, which features a folding armrest with cup holders and ISOFIX mounting points. To the front you find your vent controls and 2 USB ports. Moving into the cabin, and you'll find your front seats with manual adjustment, alongside other features such as wireless phone charging, USB ports, cup holders and storage inside the armrest. The heated multifunction steering wheel features cruise control and controls for your cockpit display. Moving on to the infotainment system, there are various ways to listen to media such as FM and DAB radio and Bluetooth connectivity. You can connect your mobile device for hands-free use whilst on the road. Apple Carplay and AndroidAuto is available, furthering device connectivity. Navigation allows you to find destinations with ease and can highlight points of interest. You can access various vehicle settings. You can access your driver assist features. Driving profile selection is available with a range of drive modes for you to choose from. You can customise the colour of your display. You can also customise your speakers equaliser settings. From the display you can also access your car's climate control system with heated front seat functionality, and this Golf comes equipped with front and rear parking sensors and area view cameras, allowing you to park up stress free. I hope you enjoyed this presentation on the approved used Volkswagen Golf Style that is now available to purchase at our dealership. For more information on this vehicle, please follow the link in the description below, or if you'd like to arrange a test drive, please get in touch with our friendly sales team today. Thank you very much for watching, look forward to helping you find your next Volkswagen.